In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a glowing light effect for your YouTube thumbnail using Canva. This simple trick can instantly make your video stand out, catch attention, and give your content a professional edge, even if you're not a designer. First, open Canva and upload or select the image you plan to use for your thumbnail. Once it's on your canvas, click on the image. This will bring up the editing toolbar and give you access to several enhancement tools. Next, click on the Edit Image button. This is where all the creative magic happens. You'll now see an option called Shadows. Go ahead and click on it. Canva's shadow effects are incredibly useful for adding depth and realism to your visuals, and one of them is exactly what we need for the glow effect. Inside the Shadows menu, find the option labeled Glow and click on it. Instantly, you'll see a soft halo appear around your image. This is the base of your glow effect, but we're going to make it look even better. Look for the settings or small control sliders icon next to glow. Click that to open the customization panel. Here, you can fine-tune every detail of the effect. Start by choosing the color of your glow. This step is crucial because the right color helps your thumbnail match the theme and emotion of your video. For example, bright blues and pinks work great for tech or gaming content, while golden or orange glows create a warm, cinematic feel. Next, adjust the size slider. Increasing the size expands the glow, giving it a more dramatic effect, while decreasing it keeps the glow subtle and clean. Play around until you find the balance that best suits your image. After that, move on to blur. This setting controls how soft or sharp the glow appears. A higher blur gives a dreamy, diffused light, while a lower blur creates a crisp neon edge. Just experiment with this until your subject pops without looking too harsh. Finally, tweak the intensity slider. This determines how bright and powerful your glow is. A stronger intensity will make your image stand out more, but be careful. Too much can overpower your design. Aim for a glow that highlights your subject while keeping the rest of the thumbnail balanced. Once you're satisfied, take a moment to preview your design. You'll immediately notice how the glow adds depth, style, and focus to your thumbnail. When everything looks perfect, click download at the top right and choose a high resolution PNG for the best quality. And that's it. Your YouTube thumbnail now has a professional glow light effect that's sure to grab attention in the feed. Keep experimenting with colors and settings to develop your own signature look. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.